So, after long years of tasting, I can confirm that donut sticks are way better than off-brand moon pies. That's my decision.
I can disagree.
Not bad. Not bad.
I guess so.
Sorry, I caught a fish after a while. I caught the first fish of the day. And he did not swallow it. So, I caught a squid. Now that we've caught this fish, we might wait for more fish to come. Oh gosh, I think I might have swallowed it.
And we're gonna wait.
But we might wait for more fish to come and catch more fish. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. See you. Caleb's got a fish. Caleb's got a fish.
Be smart, Caleb. Be smart.
Come here, boy.
I wonder what fish.
Come here, you big boy.
Be smart here. Don't end up pulling too hard and break it. I'm filming the water. Can't zoom out any.
Just hold on to that part, baby. Is it still on?
Yep.
Are you sure it's not the ground? Because I haven't.
Yep.
Because it's pulling.
Like, look.
Alright, Caleb, who is it?
Out that way. I don't know if it's a fish or not.
I don't think it's a fish.
I think it is.
You're learning every time you do something. You're learning.
He's injury prone.
Right, but
Tighten it up.
Come on, Caleb.
They said stingrays don't pull.
you don't want to hear the pole, but
Okay, loose.
Gone.
Yeah.
So you just need to tighten it super tight. Just a little bit.
it's not on anymore.
Good fight, Caleb. Good fight.
Here we go.